What happened in NIO?
Let's see what has been during 2024. This price action, very interesting. A lot of volatility. We had that level of $7 broken out to the downside. Then we had the $5 level support, more or less, being broken out also. And then this descending channel apparently has been also broken out. What will happen right now? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. What are your thoughts on this price action and movements? Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome to Trading HD. Amazing video that we have today for you. A lot of technical analysis, a lot of insights, and also we want to share with you a special offer at the end.
Okay, so remember guys, those who are not subscribed to TNST is your moment. We have a lot of things to talk about right now. The first of all, we have a minus 94% from last highs back when it was trading at $65. This is absolutely nuts. You don't see like an incredible downtrend like this every day.
Yeah, it was completely crazy. After that movement, we had in 2019 and 2020 to the upside of more than 5,000%. It's like the downtrend hasn't been for nothing, that movement was completely crazy. And I'm sure that people who bought at lower levels and sold at the higher part think like this stock was one of their best trades. Maybe not for those who bought at higher prices and have been experiencing this downtrend movement that we are watching right now. What are your thoughts about it? And if you are trading this stock, if you want to share with us your trading experience in this particular stock and the prices, we will be very happy to analyze it and to comment it in the next videos to have, like that perspective and those experiences, because when you are inside of the stock trading it, you experience everything different. The news, the price action, everything affects you in a different way, and we want to know your opinion also.
Yeah, we've been talking about NIO for a while, and the main reason about this downtrend, is the net income. We have a clearly negative income in the last quarters. It has never been in positive territory, this stock. And the problem with this is like if they don't get this net income, positive net income, this trend doesn't last. And this is what happened. The hype was there back in 2020, 2021, and then it was gone. And when that happened, if there is no net income, it actually is negative. It started to fall like dramatically, and this is what is happening. And the situation right now is very, very dramatic because we are talking about the worst net income ever in the stock in the last quarters.
Yeah, we also wanted to talk about this last level that we're watching right here, around $4. In the past, we had a lot of price action around this area. You can clearly see it acting as a resistance level, and then the price broke out of it, and this uptrend skyrocketed very, very fast to that highs. So what do you think about this level? Do you think it has been already broken out? Do you think it will be like a false breakout and we would see the price bouncing and entering again into this channel that we watched in the previous videos and that we have right here? Or do you think the price will continue going lower and maybe visit those levels of $2 or maybe even $1 area? That would be something insane, but it could happen. Everything could happen in trading. Everything can happen. So we could see again $67 or we could see $1. Both scenarios are possible, so be prepared for it and let us know in the comments your thoughts.
Also remember, the stock NIO they are investing a lot of money, thousands and thousands of dollars in research and development. That's one of the main reasons that is in negative every quarter, because of this huge investment. Also, let's talk about the next levels that we have. The main levels based on past experience, based on technical analysis. Here you can see when it was trading around 2019, 2020, we had the 2.40, and then we have the lows established back in October 2019. That's 1.23. So the last two biggest support levels that we have right here, and at least you may think about that rebound, a strong rebound from those levels.
Yeah, we also could be talking about another different levels if we take into account, like other types of scenarios or technical analysis strategies, maybe around these levels. The thing is, like, we have to wait and see what happens. And from that price action, we could even talk about the intraday chart to see with more detail. But what is your opinion? I'm willing to know. Do you think that this level of 2.40 is the next area that the price wants to visit? Or do you think that this will be just a false breakout? Or maybe we will visit like a lower level but higher from those 2.40? I think it's a very interesting analysis right now to have into account. And let's see the forecast, because I want to see that update to see if everything is the same or what is going on with that 28 analysts offering 1 year price forecast for NIO Inc.
Wow, very, very bullish actually, and that's a lot of analysts right there. And the average is more than 82%. Maybe they know something we don't.
Yeah, it's very interesting. We have also the forecast right there with the quarterly, the EPS. and it will be going higher according to these estimates. Minus 0.30 the next one, then minus 0.30 also, and it will be growing a little bit, not as much as you would expect watching this this kind of forecast with the price target.
Yeah, and actually, if you take a look at the last quarters of 2024, if the estimate is the real one in the end, and that's not very positive either. Like normally you need to see like if actually we took the annual income, you can clearly see right here the forecast for 2024, 2025, 2026. This is very interesting. This is what we need to see in the next quarters of 2024. It's not gonna happen yet, but in the next years, it's like that's when you may think about the stock that is going to recover strongly.
Yeah, exactly. And also we have like the annual forecast, very interesting. We talked about it in the previous video. And we have until 2027. So it would be like minus 0.30. Maybe in 2028 they enter into profits. We don't have that information right here. I'm talking about the forecast of the EPS also. Very interesting. Let's go back to the chart to see more technical analysis right there. And we can see, in my opinion, it's very interesting to go to the 15-minute chart, for example, and take a look at the latest levels that have been broken out. This line that we have right here of 5.37, we can clearly see that we had a first breakout right here, very clear, and it bounced very strongly from the lower part of this descending channel. We can clearly see with that wick to the upside. And then the price started to go up, creating kind of a a head and shoulders pattern. And from there, we had another breakout that didn't even have a retest. From there, the price started to go to this area right here, the lower part of this descending channel, trying to, to stay inside of the channel, breaking out of it. You have right there a very beautiful price action. You have right here multiple areas acting as maybe triple or fourth top, and then we have also the lower side of this channel right here, double bottom or something similar, and we have the breakout and the price dropped very very fast to the next areas of this price chart. What do you think about it? Do you use also smaller time frames as this one, and what is your perspective on this latest technical analysis?
Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe.
Yeah, thank you very much. We have a new video coming right now. We are going to analyze a new stock, so keep tuned. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments, and all your opinions. Welcome to Trading HD, honest traders. Let's go.